NARS Cosmetics was founded by François NARS and is known for creating premium makeup products loved by professional makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts. The Light Reflecting Foundation is one of the brand's best-selling complexion products because it combines makeup with skincare-inspired ingredients. According to NARS, it offers medium, buildable coverage, a natural finish, and includes skincare ingredients designed to improve the appearance of skin over time. Packaging. The foundation comes in elegant frosted glass bottle, pump dispenser, 30 milliliters product, luxurious black cap. The pump makes it hygienic and easy to control the amount of product. Overall packaging rating, 9.5 out of 10. Formula. The formula is lightweight and comfortable. Key claims include medium buildable coverage, natural finish, breathable texture, suitable for sensitive skin, vegan formula, skincare-inspired ingredients. NARS says the formula contains about 70% skincare ingredients and is designed to blur imperfections while helping improve skin clarity over time. Shade range. One of the biggest strengths is the impressive shade range. There are 36 shades covering fair, light, medium, dun, deep complexions. Different undertones include warm, cool, neutral, olive. Finding your perfect shade is much easier compared to many luxury foundations. Application demo. Apply moisturizer first. Use one pump. Blend with makeup sponge, foundation brush, fingers. The foundation spreads easily. Coverage. 1 layer equals medium coverage. 2 layers equals higher coverage without looking heavy. It blends beautifully around the nose and cheeks. Finish. The finish is natural, fresh, healthy looking, slightly radiant. It doesn't look cakey. It photographs beautifully thanks to NARS Light Reflecting technology, designed to help skin look natural under different lighting. Shade range. Oslo, Mont Blanc, Gobi, Vienna, Salzburg, Fiji, Punjab. Wear test. After several hours. Minimal fading. Comfortable feel. Doesn't settle heavily into fine lines. Looks natural throughout the day. Using a primer and setting powder can improve longevity, especially for oily skin. So, is the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation worth buying? If you love natural-looking makeup, healthy glow, comfortable wear, buildable coverage, luxury beauty products, then this foundation is definitely worth considering. If you prefer a very matte or full coverage foundation, another formula may suit you better. Final ratings. Packaging. September 5, 10. Coverage. 9 out of 10. Finish. 10 out of 10. Blendability. 10 out of 10. Longevity. 8.5 out of 10. Shade range. 10 out of 10. Overall. 9.3 out of 10. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss my latest beauty reviews. See you in the next video.